Hello everybody, my name is King Sam. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're talking about how to create new compositions. So now what we're going to do is we're going to look at different ways of creating and editing your composition. First of all, this is the easiest way. You just come over here and click on new composition. Now first of all, you can give it any name you want. That's the composition name over here. Now there are presets for different things. You want to use 4K, you're working in 4K, you're working in 1080p. So I just usually use 1080p 24 frames per second. That's what I usually use to make my videos. Now this is if you want to add like custom. So I click a custom here. I can change this to whatever I like and just say 45, 50 or something. And now if I click on OK, it's going to give me the stream resolution I asked for. Now next is the pixel. So square pixels is what I use normally, and I think that's what a lot of people use. Frames per second, you can put 8, 12 to 120 frames per second depending on what you're working on. Now resolution, this doesn't matter because you can change it when you enter After Effects. So normally if your system is not strong enough to carry playback at full resolution, you take it to a third or half of what you are working on. Now this duration shows you the time, how many seconds or minutes or hours is your project that you are working on. So background color is the color of the background, and just click OK here and it brings out your composition for you. Now the next way I'm going to show you how to create the composition using keyboard shortcut Ctrl N. So when you click on Ctrl N, it brings out the same composition settings menu. Now if you want to edit your composition settings, first step, you can just come here, left click here, click on composition settings, and you can edit the composition settings. So you can change anything. Maybe you missed something, like I not lock it to a 16:9 aspect ratio before, but I can change it back to 16:9 aspect ratio now. Next thing is you can just come down here, left click, composition settings, and it brings up your composition settings also that you can use to change things. Secondly, you can click on composition up here, new composition, and you can still create a new composition from here. So this is just a basic tutorial, like a really easy one, and I think I'll be dropping more. If I see that this video has a lot of likes and reviews, I think I'll be dropping more videos like this, short videos on After Effects basics. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye bye.